Most people get this wrong. They think all finance apps just track spending. Prestige Finance in 2026 goes beyond that. It's designed to help you save, manage, and grow your money efficiently, all in one app. Prestige lets you set multiple financial goals, like an emergency fund, vacation, or debt repayment. It automatically allocates funds based on your income and spending habits. This automation makes it easy to consistently save without thinking about it, which is how small contributions can turn into real financial progress over time. The app also provides spending insights and predictive alerts. It monitors bills, subscriptions, and daily expenses, notifying you if adjustments are needed to avoid overdrafts or unnecessary fees. The dashboard gives a clear picture of your financial health and progress toward each goal. Security is top-notch with multi-factor authentication, encryption, and real-time fraud protection. Your funds are insured, and customer support is available through chat or email. The limitation: Prestige focuses on automated savings and financial management, not investment or full banking services. But for anyone who wants to automate savings, gain actionable insights, and improve financial habits, it's a strong option. So, is Prestige Finance worth it in 2026? Absolutely, for anyone looking for a secure, intelligent, and user-friendly way to manage money. Subscribe to stay updated on the best finance apps available today.